cheerful friends. Let's discuss about the scrub typhus. So scrub typhus is caused by Orangia tsugutsugut which is an gram-negative cocobacilli. So let's know the epidemiology. It is found in India, and let's know the clinical features regarding it. So the clinical features regarding it will be based on the phases. One is acute febrile illness, where patient can have high grade fever with chills, severe headache and generalized weakness. Apart from that, there will be rash which is non-pruritic. So here we can see the example. Here the patient has rash over the chest which is non-pruritic. And next comes the Ishkar formation, which is typical of scrub typhus. So this is an Ishkar which is around 1 centimeter. In the center, initially the necrosis takes place and then a black crust is formed. Surrounding it, a raised red color area can be seen. Apart from this, patient can have CNS manifestations like altered sensorium, meningitis. Renal system can be involved, where patient can have acute kidney injury, and GI symptoms can be nausea, vomiting. So lab diagnosis, what we send is, we find in that usually there will be thrombocytopenia and the liver enzymes are raised. So, and also the creatinine can be raised. In this patient, the sign that liver enzyme is raised, one of the things is he has jaundice. So here, Kaka khali baga. So here you can see he has jaundice. We can take the blood sample of the patient and send it for the investigation of scrub typhus. Once we have diagnosed it, we also need to treat it. Here the drug of choice, what is usually given is doxycycline. Apart from that, other antibiotics can also be used, but the preferred one still remains doxycycline. Thank you.